Ready to ride the meme coin wave, straight from your Phantom wallet? Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have Solana, or Sol, in your Phantom wallet. This is the currency you'll use to buy those juicy meme coins. If you don't have any, you can buy Sol directly within Phantom using a debit card or send it from another exchange. Click on the blue buy button to purchase Solana. You will have multiple options here to purchase Sol. You can use MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. Once you select your desired way, enter the amount of Sol you would like to buy. Remember to have enough Sol to cover the cost of the meme coin and any transaction fees. Next, you'll need to connect your Phantom wallet to a decentralized exchange, or DEX, like Radium or Orca. These are where most meme coins live. Head over to radium.io or orca.so in your browser. On the DEX website, find the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Click it and select Phantom from the list of wallet options. Phantom will then prompt you to authorize the connection. Click Connect. Now, in the DEX interface, you will see a place to select which token to swap from and which token to swap to. In the top selection, choose Sol. In the selection below, search for the meme coin you want to buy. You might need to paste in the meme coin's contract address. You can find the meme coin contract address on sites like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Always double-check the address to make sure you're buying the right coin. Copy the contract address and paste it in the search box and import the token. Now, enter the amount of Sol you want to spend. Because meme coins are volatile, it's usually a good idea to increase the slippage tolerance. This allows your transaction to go through even if the price changes quickly. Look for the settings icon or slippage tolerance setting. Once you've set your slippage, click the swap button. Phantom will pop up, showing you the details of the transaction, including the estimated gas fees. Review everything carefully and then click Approve. After the transaction is confirmed on the Solana blockchain, your new meme coins will appear in your Phantom wallet. Remember to add the token to your wallet by importing its address, so you can see them clearly. And that's it. You've successfully bought meme coins using your Phantom wallet. Remember to do your research, invest responsibly, and good luck.